is a type of molecule made up of carbon C and hydrogen H atoms. It's special because it has at least one double bond between two of the carbon atoms. This double bond is what makes it different from other molecules like alkanes, which only have single bonds. Because of the double bonds, alkenes are more reactive than alkanes. Example like ethene, which is C2H4. It has two carbon atoms connected by double bond and four hydrogen atoms around them. Then, what is cycloalkene? A cycloalkene is similar to an alkene, but it also has double bond. But instead of being straight chain, it forms a ring structure. Example like cyclopentene, which is C5H8. It has 5 carbon atoms forming a ring, and one of the bonds in the ring is a double bond. What is the difference between alkenes and cycloalkenes? The first one is shape. Alkene, a straight or branch chain of carbon atoms. Meanwhile, cycloalkene, a closed ring structure with a double bond. The second one is flexibility. Alkene more flexible because it's a chain. Meanwhile, cycloalkene less flexible because it's locked in a ring. And for the last one is properties. Cycloalkenes can have different chemical properties because the ring shape makes the atoms more squished together. Now, let's continue with the properties of alkene. There are two types, physical and chemical properties. For physical properties, alkenes can exist in gases, liquids, or solid at room temperature, depending on their molecular weight. Alkenes are generally soluble in organic solvents but insoluble in water. Alkenes melting and boiling point increase with the increasing of its molecular weight. Similar to alkenes, they are weakly polar due to the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Next, alkenes' chemical properties. Alkenes are more reactive than alkanes due to the presence of the pi bond in the double bond. Alkenes also undergo addition reaction where atoms or group of atoms add across the double bond, which will be explained later.
There are many reactions involving alkenes, which is addition reaction, combustion of alkenes, oxidation, and polymerization. For addition reaction, there are 5 forms of addition reaction of alkenes, which is addition of hydrogen, addition of halogens, addition of hydrogen halides, hydration of alkenes with concentrated H2SO4 and with acidified water. Next, the oxidation reaction is divided into 3 forms, namely epoxidation, hydroxylation, and ozonolysis.
Do you guys know that in our daily life, alkenes are used almost every day? For example, plastic. Polyethylene, polypropylene, and polystyrene are all made from alkenes. What is polyethylene? Polyethylene is a super versatile plastic that we use all the time. From the plastic bags that we carry our groceries to the bottle that we drink water every day. It comes in different types because each of it has its own special properties. For example, some types are super flexible while others are super strong. This makes polyethylene is a go-to material for all sorts of products, from toys and also car parts. Next, alkenes are also crucial in the production of fuels like gasoline. And they are also used to create synthetic rubber for tires, solvents for cleaning, and certain medications.